What's the popular location at home to put a ductless mini-split system?
That's a really great question. What are the popular locations for ductless mini split in people's homes? A lot of people call us because their living areas are too warm and the rest of the house is quite comfortable, but their sitting areas, living areas, south-facing windows onto their back, and they just find it too warm. So they'll put a ductless mini split in there to better control the temperature of their living areas. Another great location where people like to put a ductless mini split would be up on the second level. A lot of homes in Calgary here are two-story homes, and the second level gets quite warm, specifically in bedroom areas. So what they'll do is they'll want ductless mini splits in their bedrooms to help them sleep better at nighttime. And they don't want whole home air conditioning because the main level and the basement are quite comfortable. They're just finding the challenges in their bedrooms and sleeping areas up on the second floor. But of course, because of the versatility of the ductless mini split, honestly, you could just put it anywhere you wanted, where you needed better comfort in your home. Please click on the link in the right-hand corner of this video or in the description to download our ductless mini split report that also contains a great rebate that is available to our Calgary clients. You can also reach us directly by dialing 403-230-2689. Subscribe, like this video, and ring the alert bell to be notified of other video series that we will be producing. Thank you for watching and have a great day.